Implementing the change becomes the major driving factor in the face of transformation. A thought leadership, transparent communication system, and effective employment policies are the nexus for the change. To throw more light on this aspect, I request our first speaker of the afternoon session, Mr. Amit Pandey, Vice President, Tikona Digital Networks Private Limited, to please come up on the stage to share his thoughts. Sir is a chemical engineer from Harkat Butler Technology Institute and comes with a rich experience of 18 years in automobile and telecom industry. Prior to Tikona, he has worked with organizations like Kansai Nerolac, Honda Cars India, and Bharti Airtel Limited. Currently, he is heading procurement, supply chain, human resource, and administration at Tikona Digital Networks Private Limited and Tikona Infinite Limited. Sir is also actively associated with key universities to influence procurement and supply chain curriculum for the next generation of procurement professionals and enhancing the procurement brand in Indian service industry. We welcome you, sir, to ConnectJean 13.
I would now like to request Sir to please hand over with the proceedings.
Can everybody hear me? Yes. Thank you. Good afternoon to everyone. Good afternoon, very good. I thought that after the lunch session is a very tough session. I was traveling last night, so I thought this is going to be the first time a speaker is going to sleep over here rather than the audience. Let's hope none of us is going to sleep. Okay, so before we start, this around half an hour of the session, I would just like to ask a very simple question. If you can just go to the next slide. Who is a stranger? Me. I'm a stranger, right? Okay, stranger is somebody whom we don't know, whom we don't trust. Sometimes we see in the local train, but we don't know the name. Sometimes we know the name, but we don't know who's there. In fact, let's see who is a stranger. So there is nothing called a stranger. There is no stranger in this world. It's only the friends we haven't met yet. Agree? Disagree? Agree, right? So what has happened today? I have met so many friends today, and all of you have also met one friend. So let's try to break this gap, and let's try to see how we are going to keep this half an hour journey a little more exciting, a little more learning basis. So it's difficult for me to know all of you as of now. Otherwise, the function is going to take a lot of time over there. So I'm just putting that you just see who am I, who's your new friend. I'm basically from Kanpur, a very, from a very, very, you can say, basic middle class family, lower middle class family. I was a little bit, you can say, good in studies, so somehow galti se engineer ban gaya. Is it okay if I speak in English and Hindi both? Yes. Okay, thank you so much. So a chemical engineer, a paint technologist, BTech from HBTI Kanpur, 1995. Don't look at the, the experience at all. I don't look like that. So you'll get confused. 18 years of learning experience. So people who say I have a big experience of 18 years, 20 years, 25 years, I'm saying 18 years of learning experience. Purely an automotive person. Started with Maruti Suzuki, actually was the part of Kansai Nerolac, but posting was at Maruti Suzuki. Then I spent a long tenure of 11 years with Honda Cars India. Then finally I decided after 13 years working in the automotive to let's explore the other industry. And why not telecom? That's how I moved to Bharti Airtel Limited. Spent around 1.5 years in Bharti Airtel Limited, and then moved to Tikona Digital Networks. If you see what profile I'm handling currently, I'm heading the procurement, supply chain, human resource, and administration in Tikona Digital Networks Limited, as well as Tikona Infinite Limited. Now, one of my HBTI professor in the last March, when in the Holi I was going back to my institute, asked me, how can a paint technology can be heading the HR? This is something which is like, very unusual. Have you heard about it? Have you know somebody who is a chemical engineer, paint technology, should be working in some some paint factory, or should be in the paint industry, or maybe some automotive industry. What he is doing in a telecom company in an HR. So that's how the journey is all about. So that's how, friends, what I want all of us to just go through with this small journey. So how's the journey? My learnings. So I want to, share my learnings with some of the thought process what I have carried from my automotive learnings, and then tried a very difficult task to implement those processes in a telecom company. So the topic, what I wanted to discuss, is a journey without destination. So there is a journey, and it's all about journey. There's nothing called destination. It's only the benchmark. You can say a journey which is having a milestone, and we keep achieving those milestones. The moment we achieve a milestone, we start, striving for more. हिंदी में कहते हैं इच्छाएं असीमित होती हैं, पूर्ति होने पे बढ़ती हैं. पूर्ति मतलब पूरी होने पे बढ़ती हैं. Okay, so before I start the real presentation, I just wanted to start with this quote. It's a very small, mathematical way of presenting practice plus passion plus patience is equal to perfection. So I would request my friend to just play a small video. What does it mean? This is the AV number 1. Sorry, I think the video, the quality of video is not HD. So you'll find, I think you will be able to see what exactly is it. Thank you to Coca-Cola. What I wanted to do, actually, Coca-Cola has done it. Made you all awake. Okay, so this video is small, thought process about how, if we keep doing practice, if we are really passionate and a very, very high level of patience we carry, we can actually go towards the perfection level. So here is the small agenda of the presentation. I'm just going to touch upon a little bit about telecom industry, a little bit about Tikona as a company, an overview. What are the challenges when I came to Tikona from Bharti Airtel, I found that these are the challenges. Just touch upon those challenges. Then the solution, there's a solution called lean model, and then winning a strategy. How I will try to focus more as a part of a human behavior aspect, how to behave in a corporate life, how to win people, what are those few strategies, how we can implement those changes which we want to in a corporate life. Then some of the result analysis, and before we'll close, we'll just try to see what are those few motivations factors which are driver to us. So a telecom industry, an overview, we all know the last decade gone with a CAGR of 60-65% of voice. So telecom has two brothers. One is called voice, second is called data. So elder brother has played his innings. Now it's a time when the younger brother is gearing up. So if I see that how the the entire voice market is actually somehow stagnating, and there's no much growth which we can see on this. At the same time, the data is something which is having a lot of exciting future for all of us who are actually looking forward for a telecom industry. If you see just 4% of the internet penetration in India compared to the countries like Hong Kong, 77%. So this is called preparing for data growth. If you see data as a percentage of mobile revenue across Asia, Japan is 42%, India is at just 9%. Broadband penetration, just 1%. Now, we all know why it has happened. 1995, 96 was the time when we started to see that there is a mobile phone call. And at the same time, we started typing those www.hotmail.com or usa.net. I don't know if you might have seen that. But somehow the data growth has not happened in India. The reason is very simple. One is wireless, second was wired. In India, still, we are struggling with around 445 million copper, while, say, for example, comparing with China, which is having around 525 million copper. So to deliver a broadband, we required a fiber and a copper to reach home because there was only two technologies where the broadband can be delivered, DSL or a cable wala. So there was no wireless. Now wireless is coming. What is coming? The wireless coming, 4G is coming, LTE is coming. So if we see what is a significant market which is available in India, 150 million TV households, 865 million mobile subscribers. If you see the population graphics, this is something which is very unique about India. 50% population less than 24 years. And these are the people who are going to make this young brother play much bigger than the elder brother. This is how we need to provide the broadband to 350 million users in 75 million homes. So this is more about the telecom industry, we all know. Now coming to Tikona and overview, how many of you have heard about this company? Good, most of them have heard. It's a very young company, just 4.5 years, 5 years old company. We started the operation around 4 years back. So what Tikona has done basically, if you see, Tikona is purely a data-focused company. We have built the world largest outdoor Wi-Fi network with around 43,000 base stations in 25 cities, which can deliver a 2 Mbps to 4 Mbps broadband at home. We have created a larger capacity of around 2 million subscribers, where we have around 200,000 plus subscribers. So we are actually at a 10% to 12% of capacity utilization. We have also established an unprecedented and lowest cost structure, around $125 capex per subscriber at the rate of 50% of fill factor. And if you see the kind of the fiber and copper laying charges, all those ROW charges and all, it comes around at the 50%, around $700 for a DSL company. We have also acquired HCL Infinite and started the enterprise business. So currently we are into 4 business lines. One is called home broadband. Second is called enterprise business line, enterprise lease line. Third, we are coming up with the hotspot of public hotspot. And fourth is, which is basically the biggest one, is called 4G LTE. So few data points, very exciting. If somebody asks how much is the user capacity or how much the user is consuming today of these 200,000. Very exciting. If you see the first graph, it is exceeding from 8.3 to 15.7. Something which is unbelievable. That shows that 15.7 GB per month data is getting consumed by an average subscriber per month. There are around 12% subscribers who consume more than 100 GB. There are around 7% subscribers who consume more than 200 GB in a month. That means they are consuming at 7-8 GB per day. What they do? That is where the thing comes is that, if you see that more than 50% population is, less than 24 years. So all those things, second TV concept is gone. People don't watch television on second home now, means second room. YouTube is the 10th, most popular TV channel, which is going to be #1 in 2 years. What they do, they just download the movies, they just do the video content. They are completely 100% time on the internet. If you see, this is what the bandwidth cost, our ARPU has increased, and all those stuff. So this is also another exciting thing for India. The 4G auction, what has happened, and the entire companies, there are companies like Reliance Jio Infocomm, Bharti Airtel, Aircel, and Tikona, along with Augeer. So we have also participated in the auction, and we have won 5 circles. Gujarat, UP East, UP West, Himachal Pradesh, and Rajasthan. These 5 circles contribute to 29% of Indian population, as well as they contribute to 24% of current